In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your YouTube channel banner. Your channel banner is the large image that runs across the top of your channel page. It's one of the first things people see when they visit, so having a clear, on-brand banner can really help your channel look professional and recognizable. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the channel you want to edit. If you have multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're on the right one, so you don't accidentally change the wrong channel. Once you're on YouTube, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option called YouTube Studio. This will take you to your channel's dashboard, where you can manage videos, analytics, and customization. When YouTube Studio opens, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There's a vertical menu there. Find and click on the option labeled Customization. This is where you can update things like your layout, branding, and basic information. Inside the customization section, you'll see several tabs. Look for the area related to your channel branding, where you should see a section titled Banner Image. In that section, you'll see a button or link that says Change. Click on Change to start updating your banner. A file picker window will pop up, allowing you to upload an image from your computer. Choose the banner image you've prepared. For best results, use a high-resolution image that matches YouTube's recommended banner dimensions, so it looks good on desktops, tablets, and phones. After you select your image, YouTube will display a preview. Here, you can click on the screen to crop and position the banner exactly how you want it to appear. Take a moment to drag the image around until the most important parts, like text or logos, are clearly visible in the safe area. When you're happy with the positioning, click on Done to confirm your selection. You'll be taken back to the customization page with a preview of your new banner in place. Finally, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Publish. This saves your changes and makes the new banner live on your channel. Refresh your channel page to double-check how it looks to your viewers.